Hey everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Cooking with Gage. Today we're going to be making some delicious brown rice and chicken breast. First things first, let's cut that chicken. See all this white? That's fat. You don't want none of that. So you want to cut that off and probably fillet this, cutting it down the middle so it's a little thinner. Isn't that just beautiful? It looks like two non-smokers' lungs. Sure wish I knew what that felt like. Anyways, probably shouldn't be touching my phone after cutting up raw chicken. Gonna get myself salmonella, but that's neither here nor there. Next, we're gonna get the brown rice cooking, and we're gonna use a rice cooker because I'm a piece of shit and don't know how to do it any other way. Add 1 cup brown rice. Oh shit. Then add 2 cups of water. Just like that. Boy, it's ready to eat. Just kidding. Add 1 tablespoon of butter, because if you eat it without butter, you're an absolute garbage person. Eyeball some salt. I have no idea why I had vegetable oil out. We're not using that. We're using olive oil again. So we want to use a tiny bit of olive oil. Just a dash. So that way our rice doesn't stick together. Now here's where we get a little crazy. Add 1 whole bay leaf to the concoction. That's it. Now we want to turn this baby on. Set it to brown rice. I know this is very, very difficult. Try to keep up and just leave it. Just leave it and it'll figure out. It's like, oh, that's brown rice. Technology is so nifty. You know, I remember back in my day, you actually had to think when you were cooking rice, but not anymore, and that's just wonderful. Anyways, back to the chicken. It's time to season these puppies. Choose your fighter. First, let's add a little bit of olive oil. Yes, sir. This one, you don't have to be as careful. You can just kind of slather it around with your dirty hands. Kind of slide them around, get them all covered. Nice. Just the way Grandma used to rub me. So what you want to do is just take a bit of each of these seasonings and just rub them into your meat. Just rub them in, which I've already done because it's really hard to hold your phone and pour and rub at the same time. But there you go, just some nice marinated chicken, and we got the foreman preheating. So now this is very hot, so we just want to go like this and close it. Ooh, it's grilling from 2 sides. We want to set this for 10 minutes. That's it. And now we got that cooking, we got this cooking, and then this just sitting here like a little bitch getting left out. Oh my lord, I really wish you could smell through this camera. I wish YouTube had a smell function, because this shit smells delicious. Oh my lord. It's done. Oh, that is some grilled chicken. Alright, for these first ones, I'm not going to be super brave. I'm going to use tongs. Oh shit, this is hard to do with one hand. Oh my god. You're up. Alright, chicken, your death was not in vain. Et nomine Patri, et Filii, et Spiritus Sancti. I lay you to rest. Good night. Now, if you're a real baller, you're just gonna eat it straight off this like a corn dog. But that's not what I'm gonna do. And then just remove this super hot piece of chicken with your bare hands. Ow, fuck. And now, if you were a real master, that 8 and that 5 would be the same number, because you want everything to be done at the same time. But I am not a master. Meanwhile, this fucking piece of chicken is gonna be cold by the time that one's done and by the time I'm ready to make my rice, so I just fucked up the whole thing. I'm thinking about giving up. No, Gage. You have to do this for your subscribers. It's almost done, and... ooh, look at that. And then take this one with your bare hands. Fuck off! Why do I do this? Now just add some parsley. Shit. Just, ow. Add some parsley. That's fine. Hey, look at that. This is done too. Everything's great. Now just give this a second to finish vaping. Ow. That hurts too. So just make sure you hold the lid like this when you let the piping hot steam out, okay? I'm not gonna grab that bay leaf with my hand. Oh, fuck. And then you just want to stir the rice. If you want to just be faster with it, you could just be like, what is that? Fuck it. You just want to get some fuck on your plate. A little bit more. Look at that. Look at that beautiful dish. Dude, get off my hand. Get off my hand. Look at that. It's an easy, mostly painless dish that could easily serve two. And now the cool thing about George Foreman's is the second you unplug it, it's safe to grab the grill. Believe me, it's safe to grab the grill. Oh, fuck. Just move it with your bare hands and put it in the sink. Oh, shit, that's gonna melt. Oh, shit. And if I put cold water on it, it's gonna warp. Just put it on the counter. It's ready to clean. Now, would you look at that? That is a beautiful meal. Add some vegetables to that, and you've got yourself a fully balanced dinner. And actually, the wine was just to make it look good. I don't drink wine anymore. Tune in next week.